In this video, I'm going to show you how to get videos to look like 4K quality in CapCut PC. Launch your CapCut video editor. Create a new project by clicking on Create Project. Import the video that you want to work with by clicking on the Import button. Drag the video to the timeline. In the top left menu, click on Effects. In the search bar, type Sharpen. Scroll down. Select the effect named Smart Sharpen. Drag the effect onto the video. You can adjust the length of the effect by dragging the edges of the blue part on the overlay clip. You can also adjust the intensity of the effect in the top right menu. The blur adjustment affects the video blur. The filters adjustment affects lighting. The range adjustment affects the range of things in your video affected by the sharpen effect. Finally, the sharpen adjusts how sharp your video is going to be. If you click anywhere in the timeline by mistake, you will see that it deselects the clip and the blue effect option disappears. To bring back the blue part, right-click on the video, click on Edit Effects. It brings back the blue effect part and you can edit your effect again. Now, to get the 4K-like effect, change the value of blur to 30. Filters at 60. Range at 55. Sharpen at 30. These are the 4K settings, but you can adjust them however you like. Now, if I play the video from the start, you see that the video is looking like a 4K video.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.